A man was driving through the countryside when his car broke down near a farm. He walked to the farm and asked the farmer for help. The farmer pointed to his dog sitting on the porch and said, "Don't worry, Rex here can give you a ride to town." The man laughed, thinking it was a joke, but the farmer insisted. To his shock, Rex got up, walked over to a small tractor, and jumped in the driver's seat, barking as if to say, "Hop in." Completely confused but desperate, the man climbed aboard. Rex drove them smoothly to town, and after dropping the man off, he barked again and drove away. In disbelief, the man asked a local, "Is that normal?" The local shrugged and said, "Yeah, but don't let it impress you too much. That dog can't parallel park to save his life."